There's no better way to start fires than the Flex Neck Utility Lighter. It's a match made in heaven with our Cedar Fire Starter. Just break off a piece and light it. The Flex Neck has a strong butane-powered, wind-resistant flame. Our Cedar Fire Starter takes the place of dry tinder. It even lights when wet. The Flex Neck Utility Lighter is ideal for hard-to-reach wicks, and the flame adjusts in an instant. The Flex Neck Utility Lighter features wind-resistant, dual-flame technology on a 5-inch flexible neck. It has a one-handed ignition switch with a patented child-resistant safety button. There's a flame adjustment knob, refill port, and a handle loop below. The Cedar Fire Starter is made from wax and compressed cedar chips. Each puck is scored to break into 4 pieces to light 4 fires. Now you can start campfires the first time, every time, in any weather.